would not like to have my house right by the airport. Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, it brings back, I mean, it's like, I save my boarding passes because it reminds me, it's like when I held this in my hand, it's like I'm going on this flight, and then I like to watch back the videos. It's like, oh yeah, I remember the feeling I felt when I landed there for the first time.
That's good.
Yeah.
I always back in the day, I'd always take pictures of fireworks, and I never like that.
Yeah, no kidding. I mean, it's like, you see the same thing every year. My mom would record the fireworks for us because when we were younger, we really liked watching it. But now, whenever I watch home videos, it's like, yeah, I never watch the fireworks anymore. That's 21 states now, one for each year I've been around.
First shot in the Civil War.
Oh yeah, that's right.
South Carolina cleaning this gun, actually. Oh, whoops.
Is that true?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. That could actually happen.
It probably was true. Fort Sumter was there, so check that out. Well, you probably take right off.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have a lot of time. Though I'm very glad we landed. When we did.
Yeah, we got here early.
Charleston. Our time of arrival is approximately 3:20, so note the 3-hour time difference.
And the 50-minute early
For
arrival.
getting in here almost an hour before our scheduled time. For your continued safety on the comfort of this family, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened as our pilots take us off this active taxiway and to a complete stop. Looks like we're coming into gate B as in Bravo 10. For our passengers that are going to pick up checked luggage, you're going to make your way to baggage claim area. Look for flight 728 to pick up your checked items. Here at Alaska, we